Hello friends, hope you all are fine and welcome to your awesome channel. First of all, we want to thank you so much for appreciating our efforts and subscribing to our channel. Because of your love and support, we are more than happy to come up with more videos. In this video, we are going to learn what a goal is, what a goal setting is, why having goals is important, and how can we set our goals. So friends, today we want to know, do you have some goals in life? And are you looking for ways to reach those goals? Well, we also have some goals which we want to achieve in life. For example, by making these animation videos, we want to prove that talents do exist even in small towns. We live in a small town with an overall population not more than 50,000, and we want to make and upload at least 20 to 25 videos by year end. This is one goal which we want to achieve. So we ask you again, do you have some goals in life? If your answer is big yes, then congratulations to you, as you are moving in the right direction. In this video, we will learn how to achieve our goals. What steps are needed to reach your desired destination? Now first, we have to understand, if we simply think and wish something, they are just our hope, but goals are something which are measurable and time-bound. Remember, they are measurable and time-bound. We have to put the hard work to achieve our goals. So, let's understand what a goal setting is. Goal setting, in simple words, means it involves the development of an action plan designed to motivate and guide a person or group towards a goal. Okay, now if you've understood what is a goal, then now let's understand why having goals in life are important. Well, there are 6 main reasons. Firstly, goals are very important for growth in life. Secondly, it acts as a compass and provides direction to our life. Thirdly, they keep us motivated all the time. Fourthly, we can make a better decision with the help of clear goals. Fifthly, because of goals, we are in a position to control our future. Lastly, when we achieve our goals, we get personal satisfaction. Out of these 6, point number 2 is the most important. It provides direction in our life. Now, let's understand how we can set our goals and reach them. So to set your goals, the first point is, set small goals to reach bigger goals. Keeping this point in mind, our suggestion would be to break big goals into small goals. To understand this point, let's take the example of building one big house. So, how shall we start? Are we going to build a house in one go? Or we have to build it step by step? In the same way, to reach the bigger goal, we need to start from the bottom and we have to achieve small goals first. And in this way, we will get a lot of confidence to achieve bigger goals. The second important point is, be crystal clear about your goals. We may have many small goals in our mind in order to achieve a bigger goal. So, we must be very clear about all the goals which we want to achieve. Otherwise, it would be difficult if you don't know how that final goal should look like. And remember, to achieve this, each goal should be measurable and time-bound. The third and most important step is, believe only in action after planning. Friends, as soon as the month of December comes, many people start making New Year resolutions and set new goals. But surprisingly, 90% of people even fail to achieve 10% of their goals. It's not because they made the wrong choice, but because they lack the required action. Action is what makes one successful and another failure. To achieve your goals, if you have to collaborate with someone, do it, learn it, and take action. Now, let's understand how to write a simple goal with example. First step is, fix the goal and write. For example, I want to reduce 15 kgs of weight. Second step is, fix the date. For example, I will reduce weight by 31st of August 2020. Third step, fix the deal. For example, I will do 20 minutes jogging every day. I will eat light, fresh, and healthy foods. and I will not consume any fast foods. Here, deal means what you do to achieve your goals, your real action plans. Fourth step, fix the plan or time. For example, I will exercise from 5 to 6 a.m. every day. Now, final two steps are fix your goal sheet along with your vision board and fix time to read it. Read early morning, in the afternoon, and before you go to bed. Reading your goals daily will motivate you to take action. Well, let me tell a summary of this video. The first point, goals are something which is measurable and time bound. Second point, it provides direction to our life. Third point, set small goals to reach bigger goals. Fourth point, have a crystal clear about your goals. Fifth point, believe only in action after planning. Sixth point, write down your goals. Hope you have liked today's video and understood the topic well. If you have any question related to the topic, you can comment below. Thanks for your support and love, and always remember, you're awesome.